Today I'll show you how I made this pineapple syrup. This is another easy recipe you can do on your own instead of relying on store-bought one. So here I'm using 2 whole ripe pineapple. Yes, I'm using the ripe one because I need the flavor to be strong and also the sweetness. So I'll be saving the chaff for another recipe. So this is Glatory channel. If today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. So I'll be slicing this whole pineapple because I'm getting it ready to blend it. So I finished the blending and I have finished the slicing. Now I will be blending it. In this blending I didn't add any water because I need the real juice. So I have to blend it without water. You can see I'll be squeezing out the juice out and separating it from the chaff. So use any blind sieve of yours to squeeze it out, the juice. So you can see. This is very easy process for you to make your own syrup, especially the pineapple syrup. If you're still relying on store-bought one, you know this is natural. No chemical, no addictive, and no preservative. Everything is natural. So I have finished squeezing out my juice. Now I'll measure how many cups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'll add my sugar. So I'll add 4 cups of sugar. So remember, sugar will help this to thicken up, okay? So you need the sugar. If you can skip your sugar, maybe you can use honey. It's still okay. But I think white sugar works better because it helps thicken the syrup. So we added 8 cups of pineapple juice with 4 cups of sugar. 4 to 8 or 8 to 4. So you have to keep stirring it until all the sugar is dissolved. So from time to time you stir it so that it doesn't get burned or overflow. So now I'm removing the foamy part on top of it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I wonder what you're waiting for. Why don't you subscribe? Like my video, please like it, comment and share. Here I poured half cup of lemon juice. Yes, lemon juice is important when making the syrup because it helps it not to crystallize, and it also acts as a preservative for this recipe. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use citric acid in place of it. You can see my syrup is already forming. It's getting thick. Oh, done, you can see. So now I will transfer it on my bottle. So with the lemon juice, it will not crystallize. It will still be running but very thick. So you can see it's very easy to make your own syrup. This syrup is good for your mocktail or your cocktail, even for your ice cream toppings and your dessert. So let me know if you'll be trying this out. This is very easy to make. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? So here I added the fruits that I like with ice, and I added the shots of this syrup on this cup. So now I'm using the lemon soda water. You can use any sparkling water of your choice. So you can see. So yummy. So if you can make yours, why do you need to buy? There's no addictive, there's no preservative. Everything is natural. Let me know in the comment section if you will be giving it a try. Thank you for watching, and see you again on my next video. Bye.